Hello everybody, it's another sunny day in Arizona. We're looking at 110 degrees today. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We have an open house here in Scottsdale, Arizona, 4526 North 87th Place. So this is a fresh listing just placed on the market as of yesterday. 3-bed, 2-bath, a little bit over 1,700 square feet. Everything is on one floor. This is listed at $830,000. To give you a better idea where the cross streets are for this home, the cross streets are Camelback and Granite Reef Road. This home here does not have an HOA, so that's a plus for a lot of you buyers out there. It's just something to pay attention to. This house has a pool in the backyard also. We'll go out there here in a short bit and I'll show you what that looks like. But first, let's cover the inside of the house. You see here, you got the living room. And you got your kitchen. And they added a nice touch with the ping pong table. Got a kitchen view out into the backyard. This is one of the 3 bedrooms. As you see, this has enough room. This right here, this is a queen size bed. And then you have your bunk beds, which is pretty much a single. So a decent amount of space, if you can tell. We'll take a look at the bathroom. Let's take a look at the other bedrooms. As you see, you got your hallway, closet space. Bedroom number 2. Pretty much the same case. Let's take a look at this closet though. You can walk in there. I'll step in. As you can see, I can step in. And let's go to the master. Have a little bit more closet space than the other 2. You got that right there. You have this space that you could walk a little bit deeper in there. All right. Walk-in shower. In this case, if you're a very tall person, you might not necessarily like this. Like if you're beyond 6'5", or close to 6'5", that's probably your threshold as far as being able to stand up in there. All right, and now, if I didn't already cover the ping pong room, I'm pretty sure that I did, but it's a nice little setup. And let's go out into the kitchen. I'm sorry, the backyard. All right, now it pretty much makes all the sense in the world to have a pool in Arizona if you don't already know that. This is a decent sized pool. You got plenty of room for people to do whatever it is that they want to do back here. As you see, you got this little lounging couch. You got the swimming pool, which at one end is pretty deep. I would imagine at least 6 feet deep on one side. You got your covered space if you want to grill and just sit down in the shade and don't want to get hit by the sun. They also have some golf clubs that you can get down with here in the backyard. So if you're with the friends and want to kill some time and hang out, you guys can tee off in the backyard without even having to leave. A lot of people already know Scottsdale is pretty much well known for golf since they have a lot of golf courses in Arizona in general, but Scottsdale definitely has a lot of golfers. So for those of you interested in stuff like that, a house like this might be right up your alley. Again, this house is listed for $830,000, freshly placed on the market. If you have any questions, please do let me know. Be safe and stay cool.